Hello guys, how are you? I hope everybody's fine and welcome again in this new video. It will be about BIOS repair and it's a request in fact in this server. This is this one. So the guy here is asking for BIOS repair and clear me. So we have a Fujitsu laptop, Lifebook U904 model, and here are the bin files. In fact, there are guys that has already supplied him with some files like this one, but the requester paid by this thanks tried didn't work, so maybe it's not a BIOS issue at all, even though according to his statements I am really 100% sure that if what he says here in this statement is true, then it's a BIOS issue. So maybe these files are something wrong, or it's not obvious issue from the beginning. Anyway, and there's this other guy here. This one. So, but they also supplied the requester with two files. In fact, these two files are just one BIOS image split into two parts, and each part was in a BIOS, in a separate BIOS chip. So it's a system using this system is using dual chip storage. And the purpose of this video is to show how to deal with this case. So, and I will keep the files, and in case these last two files didn't work for the requester here, I will supply him with my files. So let's check how we can proceed with this case. First of all, we need to download the files. So let's download them. Let's put on rs new folder. So the name of the guy is like this, if I am not mistaken. I didn't make a mistake on the name. Sorry if any mistake in names. Let's save, download the second one, save in the same folder, of course. So let's open the folder. Here we have the folder, so 8 mega and 4 mega. So we can check them first. So we have the header. So this is the signature of the header, this one. We have the end, which has no data, which means that this BIOS is not complete. This image here is not complete. So let's check the other one. So no header here, but we will have the footer. Yes, this is the. So if you're experienced with the BIOS files, you will know how the footer looks like and how the header looks like. So, and to proceed with this BIOS image, this is the BIOS image. The two files are to be combined before dealing with them. So let's combine the files first. I'm going to use LBE. I'm going to use extra BIOS utility here, combine files. Let's open the first file, which is so here, this one, and pay attention here if you have opened the exact file. So this one has the header, so it should come first as the first file. Let's open the second file, which is the 4 mega, and we go to the end to check the footer. Yes, that's right. Let's combine. So once saved, we will get our file here. This is it. So let's just close this because the tool auto opened the working folder. So let's just keep this one open. So now we have the file combined, and as I said in the beginning, if for example we try to open the 8 megabyte file with the UEFI tool, we will get this message. So image is truncated. What does it mean? If you hit OK, you will get this, and here you have BIOS region is located outside of the opened image. If your system uses dual ship storage, as I said before, if your system uses dual ship storage, please append another part to the opened image. So from here you know that these two should be one BIOS image. So when dealing with this kind of files, you have to combine them in case of BIOS repair and clear me. Now let's move to the next step, which is to find the executable of this model. So let's just copy, let's open Fujitsu support. And yes, get in. Select new product. Oh yes, I already have searched for this one, which is another one. So here I am asked if select a new product. Yes, of course. We have a new case here. Product search here. If we have serial, we will use serial. In fact, I can extract serial from the bin file, but I don't want to show it in the video. So let's just use the Lifebook U904 model. Continue. We will get this, and as you can see here, the download is expanded, and all available drivers, BIOS versions, and software updates for Fujitsu computers system can be downloaded here. So you just click here on continue. You select your system, and you go to BIOS, and here we have BIOS update Windows. Let's check this first one. So what do we have here? This must be the other versions. Let's check. So this one and this one seems identical, and this one is older. So let's download this one. Accept this, download, and yes, in our working folder. Better to create another folder. Usually I use EXE as a name, meaning that I will put the executable file there. Now let's go, let's close this. Let's go back to our folder. We have the EXE folder inside, and let's extract, see what do we have here in this file. Use extract here later. So we have this, which contains the row. So probably this is the BIOS region, and here we have another executable file, which let's see if we can extract it here. extract here. No. So this one we can extract it using temporary, or you just, so I can use LBE, but let me just share with you another tip which you can use. Let's open the zip, 7-zip, go here, go to that folder in which the executable, the file which we have downloaded resides. So in those we have this, the BIOS region, and this in fact is used when this executable file inside this one is used when flashing Turo OS. And here we have when we have extracted this RAR file, we got this and this and this. In this we have BIOS region. In this, let's see what, probably we will have something like clear me or me file. So let's just do this, open side like this. So now we have opened the executable file, this one. So open inside like this, and as you can see here, we have this. We have executable date me info. So yes, as we have here me info win.exe, it means that this is the management engine file. We can drag it here, and let's just go back to here, and let's, oh no, I mean let's just execute this to see if we can get the me binary file using temporary file, temporary folder. So if we execute this, do accept. So we got this system firmware updates tool failed to get the BIOS information. That's normal, because when we execute a BIOS file in a wrong system, we usually got these errors like this. We just do Windows R on our keyboard. I already have temporary here, so you can see I use it a lot. So let's open. We have here, let's order by date, so that the last folder created in temporary file will be in the beginning. This is the one, and there it is, bingo, we have the me. Let's copy it, let's put it there, paste. So if we compare, so as you can see, nearly same as this. So there's a small padding in this, or this one is encrypted. I don't know yet. I have to open those with the X. With the X. Now we can hit OK here, and these files will disappear. Yes, all the folder is deleted. But we have our file, the me. Let's open this here. Yes, I was right. So this one and this one. So this one begins this, which means that we have to take out this two lines. So just delete with keyboard and let's save, or save as. So here, let's save as 9 dot bin. So now we have 9.bin modified, and we have the me. Let's analyze, compare. Bingo, the file size are different. However, the beginning of the bigger file is identical with the entire content of the smaller file, which means that if we want to adjust this file manually, we just do like this. So this one, it's clear that this is also these 3 lines at the end of this me should be removed of the 9.bin file. I mean, not the me, because the me we have this. So if we remove this using keyboard again, delete, and now let's just save like this, not save as. Now analyze, compare. That's really cool. Now we have our me, this one or this one. This one, it's bigger in size. This one is the backup. When we have changed it first, when we have deleted the 2 lines and saved as, we got this backup. So let's just delete these. So we just keep the me as this 9.bin also can be deleted as it is identical to our me.bin file. So now we have the BIOS region, we have the me region. Sorry, I double clicked it. Now what to do now? We go to our tool LBE. We go to, now we have to replace the BIOS region. So we go to utilitaire and we select BIOS separator, and we open here. We go to select file for repair. We open the combined one, not 8 mega nor the 4 mega, the combined one, and we replace the BIOS region. BIOS region, we have it here inside the DOS folder. Replace. So region size is less than the BIOS original region size. We will write from end if you wish, yes or no. Region size is less than BIOS original region size. So in this case, I prefer to avoid any mistake, I prefer to mod it manually. So I will just answer no, and there cancel, and close this. So what I have to do now, simply I'm going to open the BIOS region, go back, open the combined file. Okay, let's copy 2 lines from our BIOS region update file. Copy. Let's check Ctrl F, Ctrl V to paste hex value here, and you select all here. Okay, so we are in the beginning of the BIOS region here. So here is the beginning. So what to do now? Go back here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, come back here, click here in the beginning of the BIOS region, right click, paste, right. So it's done. But now let's save. We will get this file is the one modified, and this is the original combined file as a backup in case we need it again. So now we have the new file modified. Let's go to our tool. Let's do the same thing here. Open the modified one, which is the backup. Not the modified one, the original one, which is this one, the backup. Open BIOS region here. Select BIOS region. Open. And now let's say yes and save. So we have our file here. Where? It should be here in DOS. Yes, let's cut it here from here and bring it to the main folder here. So we just need to compare these two, the one obtained by our tool LBE and the one we did with EXE manually. Now analyze, data compare, that's fine. So now, as you can see, we have our file. Let's skip one of them. Let's skip this one with modded, which is from the name it's clear what it is. So let's just delete this. We can even delete this one, we don't need it. And now let's go to our tool again, and now let's do clean me. So me support tool, open which file? The modded one, order by date of creation. So this one, which has our BIOS region, our update BIOS region. Open, analyze, enter. So perfect, we got. So I have to update my analyzer. But it's not a problem, it can do with this one. So we have here 5 MB, which means we have to choose this one and go here and choose manually the tool and double click. We will get a spare file here, this one, which is in fact this one that we choose. But in our case, even if we got this one, we will use the the update one, this one. So let's copy it from here and put it on the main folder here. So don't be confused. This spare me is simply this file which I selected here. The tool automatically brings it here to be used, but in our case we won't use it. We will use the one extracted from the last update. So our tool is opened. Let's open the file and the modded one. So it's on desktop, it's in here, and let's choose all files here, and we have this one. So we have to open this one. Now we go to build settings, we uncheck this. Okay, we go to feature supported. We have Intel on native technology set it to no, we have to change it to yes. Okay, nothing here, boot guard, that's fine. Here everything's fine here. this unknown node should be default, not unknown. And finally we go to SCH straps number 2. We check these all should be false 0, false 0, false 0. Okay, save as. Let's keep the default, just pay attention that it will be saved in the main working folder. Save. Now let's close this. Better to close it and reopen it. Okay, close. We go to our folder. Here we take this me that we have to use, we put it in this folder generated by fit tool, the flash image tool. Again we put it in the decomp folder, which contains the parsing the files after the files of the BIOS image after parsing by the fit. We have the me, the new one here, and we have the me region, old me region, which has to be removed. Before that, let's press F2, answer name, and Control X. Here, F2, Control V, and delete this one. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope if ever you are confused, you just have to watch again and repeat the video, and you will understand what I did here. So now let's go back. So we'll get our files here. After we will get our files here in LBE cleared files. So this is the output folder. Again, open the tool. Let's wait for the tool to be opened. Decrypting file. We have it. Let's open. What? The configuration file, of course. So you have to pay attention to these messages here. So last thing is that we have opened the configuration file. We now build the image and pay attention to display there. So let's build. We got this concerning the boot guard profile. You just answer yes. Here is the files. So this is the 8 megabytes, the 4 megabyte, and the full image. So even the fit supplied us with the full image as one file. So this file, in fact, this file contains this one combined with this one. Okay, if we combine these two and compare to this out image here, we will get identical files. So I hope it's clear, and now I usually prefer to do this to analyze the new file, the cleared one, this one. Let's analyze. Enter. We have to compare it with the original one here. So you should get same size here. Doesn't matter if you don't have the same me, because we have used the new one. You should get this same size and production really should be yes in about files. So That's it. This file is ready for using with our laptop. Before that, I'd really like to check these files which the requester say that they don't work for him. So let's download about files. Let's put them here. Let's create another folder, so call it to compare. So here we are going to these two files to compare them with our file. Let's go to the folder again. Let's just close this and do this, show in folder. Okay, let's extract here, extract this one too. Where is that extra? I am tired, I can't no longer see anything. So extract here, cancel. I have tried to extract the one already extracted, so let's extract this one. What is this? So what do we have inside this one? Let's close. We have image clean me, image clean me, and inside this one, oh yes, I know what's the problem now. I have downloaded the same file. I didn't pay attention to this one here, to this number, so I have to download the other file. Go back, this one, not yet downloaded, I think. Yes, open, show in folder. We already have the folder open. Let's extract here. So we have the RARs will be out. Oh, delete. Let's combine with our tool. Extra BIOS utility, open. Let's go to compare the 8 mega here, the 4 mega, exactly. Yes, combine, save. We have the file here. Let's go to Mi support tools, open file. Let's open. So we are in to compare folder, so we need to open this one. Let's order by date of creation, so it should be this one, the combined file. Let's analyze. Enter. I think we have same result as what do we have here? Yes, except that in this one we have 9, 5, 62, 300, and so does that mean that there's another update, another new update which I missed? But if we go to Fujitsu support, we have downloaded this one. So as we have here, So this is the last one. So let's go back to the files. And let's see if we can get from the conf as here. Let's do like this. BIOS. Let's text string case. Okay, BIOS info. Okay, F3 on keyboard. F3 again. Okay, let's try this. Fujitsu. Yes. I have. Okay, F3. F3 again. F3 again. Or we can just use the model number. Copy U904. Let's check if the file has this or no. Yes. Okay, let's check my file. So this is the one I downloaded from Discord. This is mine here. This one. The same search. Okay. Y on F. Okay. Something wrong with my file. Or there's not or something wrong with my file. What's wrong with my file? No. So if we go to the same offset here, copy offset, and we go here and search, go to, and we paste the offset here. Okay, it's empty. Okay, now I got it. Maybe here the guy has transferred the DME information. Yes, that's what he did. That's what he did. Let's just do this. Copy. Now go to folder again to compare this one. Reduce this. Reduce this. Close this. And let's open with the UEFI tool. Let's clear this. It can be cleared. Okay, Control F, Control V. We have pasted the value which we have copied from the file. We got 2. So yes, it's the let's okay. Again open. Again open mine. Again Control F. It's non-existent there. And there we have it. Okay. I have to check if we have the DEM info in this place. And maybe yes, maybe no. Let me just check in this. Okay. So yes. Yes, these are the DEM info injected in this file. Yes. So it's in BIOS region, as you can see here. It's in BIOS region, and it's the DEM info. Here we have the DEM info. So I have serial number on the I am just checking the serial number on the other screen, which you can see, and yes, I can confirm that this place here is the DEM info injected. So in some cases, in fact, when we manually inject the DEM info in a use file, it might not work. So yes, I have to. I got an idea. So I have here before. So here. Use me repair. So George here offers these two files. Let's download and compare with what we have till now. New folder. It's from George. Save. Which one? Two new. Let's download the other one. Show in folder. Again, let's combine the files using our tool. Extra BIOS utility. Open. Sorry, not new folder. I'm tired. I have to go home. Go back. Here. The 8 mega is the first one, open. The 4 mega is the second one, combine. Save. There it is. Let's close this. So here it is, open. Control F. Same thing, we want to get, we have it. Our guy too has injected the maybe he mentioned it here. Try this. Yes, purge BIOS. Okay. Okay. In fact, we have got a discussion in private concerning this case, and let me just check what you have said. Maybe Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, repair and version update for him. Now I am waiting for him to answer. Anyway, okay, yes. Okay, so let's just wait for our guy to replay her. So let us wait his replay her, and let's see if this will work. I have to ask these two guys supplying the clean file there if they have done DME fix. They haven't mentioned it here, so I got another idea. Let's compare the this one from George with the other one from the other guy. The other one from the other guy, which is in here, to compare this one. So if it turns out to be identical, then no. Of course, it won't be identical because there's a lot of criteria that will make them different. So the me file used, the update file which is used, and so on. Let me ask, I will try to ask the guy in private right now if he's still online. Let me ask him, have you fixed the DME in the file or in the BIOS file you give? So let's wait for his answer, and in case those files also didn't work, I am going to supply our requester with my file. Anyway, I wish you have learned something new in this video, and see you in the next video, which I hope will be soon. So take care and bye bye.